we'll only probably talk about one or two, I think. And the one they talk about is this. I know they talk about two of them. Two of them. One of them is this. In math, you know that 6 plus 5 is the same thing as what? 5 plus 6. And we take that for granted, but please know it's not. It doesn't work for everything. You can't just flip-flop numbers. For example, 10 minus 5 is not the same as 5 minus 10. You can't do that with subtraction. They're totally different, so you have to be careful. This little property here, when you take numbers and flip them or move them, is called the commutative property. Okay, commutative kind of means you move them to different places. And that is the reason why when you're doing multiplication, it works for addition, it works for multiplication. That's why when you learn one fact, when you learn that 7 times 2 is 14, not only do you know that, but you also know that 2 times 7 is 14. That is because of the commutative property of both addition and multiplication. You can flip them around, it doesn't matter the order in which you multiply. And then one other property they give you is the identity property of addition. I have no good way to explain that other than to say that identity means you get the same thing or you identify with it or something like that. What do you add to something to get the same thing? Like, for example, 15 plus what gives you the same thing you started with? I know it's difficult. Maybe you think, Amelia, what is it?
0.
Yeah. The identity property of addition just simply says that adding 0 gives you the same thing. That is the identity property of addition. And we're just about done, unless I'm missing something. Difference of determinant. Two more actually, sorry, ready? One more blank piece of paper.